you gave a speech a few years ago in which you were talking about, we need to stop saying, grow the tent, grow the tent, grow the tent. And this isn't a circus, when talking about the party. And yet Rand Paul seems to be talking about that constantly. He wants to restore voting rights to convicted felons, and all I ever hear from him is grow the party. And, I heard you call Marco Rubio a piece of crap because he went in on the Gang of Eight, though, which I wasn't a fan of. But,
I think he's admitted that was too hard.
Yeah, I admit it. Wait, hang on just a second.
Wait a second.
Hang on. Wait. I just want to correct as we go. First of all, I don't agree with Rand Paul on a lot of the stuff he's talking about. And I have admitted prior to your phone call that I was too harsh on Marco Rubio.
Yes.
I sometimes speak before I think.
What?
Yes. I know it's a shock. But anyway, go ahead. So anyway, Jake, go ahead.
Yeah, I just think, I kind of empathize with what you're feeling too, because I think with Obama, it just really caused me to question everything that I believed about Bush, and so it's just kind of like we're kind of walking around trying to find our way. But to me, I'm not willing to sacrifice my conservative principles just to say, well, I agree with this person on this, so let me kind of support them for this reason.
Okay, hang on just a second. Where am I? Wait. Where am I sacrificing my principles? Because I don't believe I am.
Not you, because I know that you're a libertarian and I'm a conservative, so we don't have, entirely the same beliefs. But for me as a conservative, I'm not just going to say, well, I agree with, Rand Paul on economics, so I'm going to kind of, take Rand Paul over Jeb Bush.
I agree. No, I agree. Over Jeb Bush? You won't take you won't take Rand Paul over Jeb Bush?
I'd take Rand over Jeb.
Yeah. I mean, that's your, quite honestly.
I don't like Rand at all, but I'd take him over Jeb Bush.
Jeb Bush is progressive to the max.
Well,
to the max.
Well, what about, Rand Paul and his reduction of sanctions out of Iran? He wants to restore voting rights.
Look, Shane, there's.
Yeah,
I'm not a Rand Paul guy. I will take Rand Paul. Rand Paul is, number 2 or number 3 in my list. But I'll take him. I'll take him definitely over Jeb Bush. I know exactly what Jeb Bush is going to give us, and he's going to give us more Goldman Sachs, more war, more control at the state, more government-controlled health care.
More Common Core. Less protection at the border.
I don't want any of that.
Well, listen,
I don't want any of that.
I'm a Ted Cruz fan, so, full disclosure, I think we all unify around one guy, and Ted Cruz.
Yeah.
But
Ted Cruz, I'm with you on that.
Speaking out loud.